All right, now we're doing 7Q factorial division. This is by Azofainfa, and 88% of the people like it. We have to define a function to calculate the division of two factorial numbers. This can be useful for large numbers. In mathematics, the factorial of integer n is written as n factorial. It is equal to the product of n and every integer preceding it. For example, 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which equals 120. Some hints, we can see that n plus 1 factorial equals n plus 1 times n, so n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial is n plus 1. And we know that 0 factorial is 1 because n factorial equals n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1. Therefore, 0 equals 1 factorial divided by 1, which equals 1. All right, cool. And our solution should be able to calculate n factorial divided by d factorial, which will basically be like just n factorial down to d, because we can just cut the rest off. All right, so back over here, n and d will be positive big ints, and also n is greater than d. No need to check any of that. Gotcha. So take care of this, get that out of here, and we're gonna say right here, let result equal, what was it, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 1n? There we go. Yeah, it's got to look like these. All right, and so we're going to say for let I equals 0, while I is not 0, n, and not this n, this n. All right. I equal n, while I is greater than d, I minus minus, right? Because like we said, we're just going to cut the rest off after the d because it's division. All right, so we're going to say result times equals I, and then we're going to say return result. Let's see what happens. Test it out. There we go. Attempt it. All right, submit it. And this, doing it pretty much like we just did it, pretty much exactly like we just did it, except for some mult. Here's something. Pretty much like we just did it. This is us, and some more, and some more, and some more. All right, cool. So let's go to mine. Very much like it. Best practice, in my opinion. We'll see you next time.